everyone, this is a rare opportunity to be one of the officiating officials, technical official of the 2025 Palarong Pambansa here in Lawag City, Ilocos Norte, as table tennis officiating official, table tennis technical official. So ang daming mga bigay ng DepEd po. Salamat, maraming salamat Department of Education, through the sports program. We have here, ito po, 2025 Palarong Pambansa. May bag, ito ang logo ng DepEd. Maraming laman. Yes, maraming laman. We are now on the unboxing sa laman po ng kit natin, 2025 Palarong Pambansa here in Lawag City, Ilocos Norte. Unang-una, may sombrero tayo. May kalo tayo. Yan. Yan, may jacket. Oh, bigyan ng jacket yan. Wow, jacket. And this one. Ano to, pre? Jogging pants? May jogging pants pa. Yun. Wow, model ah. May jogging pants. And unang polo shirt. Pre, nakakahiya tong XL eh. Nung una, medium lang ako. Naging naging large, tapos ngayon naging XL. Una, may sombrero, may jacket, may jogging pants, may polo shirt. Unang polo shirt, orange. Pangalawang polo shirt, red. Pangatlong polo shirt, blue. Pang-apat na polo shirt, gray. Mayroong tuwalya. Ang dami naman. May tuwalya. And may toiletries. Ito to. Toiletries. And meron pa ba? Ano to? Ano to? Ay, sling. Sling pala. Sling ng bag. Okay, thank you, DepEd.
Sabihin mo, salamat BBM.